Hi everyone. I thought I would do an updated storage video for my handbags, my totes, and my small leather goods. This system is a combination of the IKEA Kallax with the drawer inserts, or some of the drawer inserts, and I found these two that are stacked on top at Target, and they were like on sale for $20 or something, and they're just the perfect size for small handbags. So I don't know, I was so excited when I found it. I, as you can see, have room to grow if I want my collection to grow, but I just thought that I would share how I set it up and the storage and what I can fit in it, because I know that storing purses and small leather goods is something that's really like an ongoing struggle, at least for me. I don't know. But yeah, so this doesn't take up very much room. The IKEA drawer is a little, or unit is a little bit wider and deeper than the ones at Target, but it still works. I mean, they're pretty much the same size. The only difference is that the sides of it are a little bit less wide or less thick, so you can see kind of the difference, but it doesn't bother me. It doesn't really matter. So on top, I have two shelves, and on the first one, I'm just keeping some boxes. I have two Coach boxes and two Louis Vuitton boxes, and I am just keeping them there right now because I have nothing to put in there. And then on this side, I have two of my most used totes. They're my Vera Bradley, I think they're the Mallory tote, but they're beautiful pebbled leather, and I just really love them. On the bottom, I have two shelves of my smaller handbags. I have this Madewell bag, a Vera Bradley crossbody, a Marc Jacobs crossbody. These are the Peanuts collection Coach crossbody and wristlet things. I love those. I don't remember what they're called. They have a really cute Disney one out now that I'm doing everything in my power not to buy. And then I have a folded Longchamp Le Pliage bag, and right there I have another one. I don't know where it is. And then down here are all my Rebecca Minkoff bags. I have a bunch of mini Macs, and then I have this one, which I don't remember what it's called, but I don't know, I really love that one. And then over here I have a Vera Bradley tote, a larger Rebecca Minkoff, and then a clutch, which is more like a bag, but that's a Coach clutch. And then down here I have some more totes. I have two Kate Spades and two Rebecca Minkoffs in there. As you can see, they don't fit perfectly, but I also didn't really try very hard to get them looking neat. In this door, I have some of my less used purses. Like, I'm keeping them more. I mean, I'll use them on occasion, but they're not like my go-to bags. I've got some Steve Madden in there, a lot of like a couple Primark bags, some Just Fab bags. I don't know, stuff that I've had forever, and I just kind of keep them in there. Down here, I have some clutches. I have one in my purse right now that's not in there, but I'm using this for some of my clutches. And down here is kind of a disaster, but it's makeup bags. Down here, I have some of my wallets that are less used. So my older wallets. I mean, I even have like my first wallet ever from when I was a kid. And then this is my favorite drawer. This is my current small leather good collection. And I love the way that they fit in here. It just really stores so much and is a very functional and easy way to store and see the small leather goods that I have when I want to change them out. So yeah, that is everything. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this was helpful to you, and I will link everything that I can below.
Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.